If you're the kind of person who gets giddy at the sight of new technology and loves to stay ahead of the curve, then you're in the right place. Amazon is offering lots of futuristic gadgets that are bound to blow your mind. Imagine a world where your tent sets itself up, your bike helmet lights the way, and your personal air conditioner fits in a backpack. Insane, right? You should be. But before we start, kindly like, subscribe, and smash the notification bell to stay tuned. If you've done that, sit back and let's dive into the 12 coolest tech gadgets on Amazon. 1. Apollo Sign Pack Go. Imagine being on a business trip and wanting to unwind after a long day of meetings. Enter the Apollo Sign Pack Go, your new travel buddy. This isn't just any 27-inch smart screen. It's a mobile entertainment hub. You can watch your favorite shows in landscape or portrait mode, thanks to its touch-enabled screen. With built-in Bluetooth 3D speakers, it feels like you've got a mini home theater right in your hotel room. The Apollo Sign Pack Go runs on Android, so you can download all your favorite streaming apps. Whether you're catching up on the latest episodes of your favorite series or having a video call with your family, this gadget ensures you stay connected and entertained. And those quartet speakers? They'll make you feel like you're right in the middle of the action. Picture this. You're in a hotel, munching on room service, with a breathtaking city view behind you, and your Apollo Sign Pack Go playing your favorite movie. Can you think of a better way to unwind? 2. Hitch-Home. For all the adventurers out there, the Hitch-Home is about to revolutionize your camping experience. This is no ordinary tent. It's the world's first hitch-type air tent. You heard that right. It attaches to your vehicle, providing luxurious comfort with a touch of innovation. Setting up camp is now a breeze. Literally, the Hitch-Home can be set up in just 3 minutes, and its jet engine dampening technology means you won't be disturbing the peace. Plus, it has a 12-volt DC outlet to keep your gadgets charged. Imagine setting up camp in the middle of nowhere, yet having the comfort of a cozy tent. You can even use your vehicle without taking the tent down. It's like having a mini mobile home. No more struggling with tent poles or finding the perfect spot to pitch your tent. With Hitch-Home, every camping trip will feel like a luxury getaway. 3. Skyted. Ever been on a call in a noisy place and wished you had a cone of silence? Meet Skyted, the mask that ensures your calls stay private even in the busiest places. Using jet engine dampening technology, Skyted muffles your voice, making sure your conversations are just between you and the person on the other end. Picture this. You're in a bustling cafe, but with Skyted, it's like you're in a quiet room. Your voice doesn't carry beyond your mask, so you can talk freely without worrying about eavesdroppers. Perfect for busy city streets or noisy restaurants. Skyted is your new secret weapon for privacy. It looks cool, feels comfortable, and keeps your business to yourself. Plus, think of the looks you'll get wearing this futuristic mask. Batman would be jealous. 4. Overade Life. Riders, it's time to meet your new best friend, the Overade Life helmet. This sleek and stylish helmet not only protects your noggin, but also lights up your ride. It has bright lights for enhanced visibility, built-in brake and turn signals to make your intentions clear, and hazard lights for emergencies. Picture riding through the city at night. Your Overade Life helmet lights up, ensuring every car sees you. You signal a turn, and the built-in lights flash to show where you're heading. It's safety and style combined. And let's not forget the convenience. You won't need to fuss with extra lights or reflectors. Overade Life takes care of it all. It's like having a tiny light show on your head, making every ride safer and a bit more fun. 5. Tevole Telescopic Lantern. Outdoor enthusiasts, rejoice! The Tevole Telescopic Lantern is here to light up your adventures. This isn't your average lantern. It's a foldable, remote-controlled, tripod light source that stands up to 192 centimeters tall. With its IP65 waterproof rating, it's tough enough to withstand any weather. Imagine setting up camp, and with the push of a button, your lantern extends and lights up the entire area. No more fumbling with small flashlights or trying to hang lanterns from trees. The Tevole Telescopic Lantern provides ample light and can be adjusted to your desired height and brightness. Whether you're camping, having a backyard barbecue, or just need extra light for a project, this lantern has you covered. It's like having a mini lighthouse wherever you go, guiding your way through the dark. 6. DJI Mic 2. Filmmakers and vloggers, get ready to upgrade your audio game with the DJI Mic 2. This lavalier mic is perfect for capturing crisp, clear sound, no matter where you are. With a 6-hour continuous operating time and intelligent noise-canceling features, your videos will sound better than ever. Picture this. You're filming a documentary in a bustling city. The DJI Mic 2 filters out the background noise, capturing your voice clearly. Your audience hears every word perfectly, without the distracting sounds of traffic and chatter. Compact and easy to use, the DJI Mic 2 is a must-have for anyone serious about audio quality. It's like having a professional sound engineer in your pocket, ready to make every recording sound flawless. 7. Neurovista EEG Sleep Monitor. Getting a good night's sleep has never been easier with the Neurovista EEG Sleep Monitor. This device tracks your sleep patterns more accurately than any smartwatch, providing you with essential insights to improve your sleep quality. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed and energized, knowing exactly how well you slept. The Neurovista EEG Sleep Monitor not only tracks your sleep, but also provides gentle white noise to help you drift off and stay asleep. It's like having a personal sleep coach, ensuring you get the rest you need. Say goodbye to restless nights and hello to sweet dreams with the Neurovista EEG Sleep Monitor. 8. Napillow. Travelers, meet your new travel companion, Napillow. This ultimate neck pillow combines nylon and memory support for superior comfort and stability. With its noise-canceling ear muffs, you'll be able to nap peacefully, even on the longest flights or train rides. Picture settling into your seat, putting on your Napillow, and drifting off to sleep, undisturbed by the noise around you. It's like having a personal bubble of tranquility, making every journey a bit more comfortable. Napillow is compact, easy to carry, and ensures you arrive at your destination well-rested. It's a game-changer for anyone who travels frequently. Sweet dreams, even at 30,000 feet. 9. Zhiyun Fiveray M40. Need a powerful light that fits in your pocket? The Zhiyun Fiveray M40 is your answer. This everyday light offers 360-degree rotation and adjustable brightness, making it perfect for all your lighting needs. Imagine needing extra light for a photo shoot, a late-night walk, or just finding something in a dark closet. The Zhiyun Fiveray M40 provides powerful illumination in a compact form. It's like carrying a miniature sun in your pocket. Whether you're a photographer, adventurer, or just someone who needs a reliable light source, the Zhiyun Fiveray M40 is perfect. It's small, powerful, and incredibly versatile. 10. Loomee. Say goodbye to tangled cables with Loomee. This handy gadget is a book light that stays on top of your book. Its compact design makes it portable, and it also doubles as a phone stand. Imagine never having to untangle a mess of cables again. With Loomee, your cables stay neat and organized. Plus, its built-in phone stand adds extra convenience. Whether you're watching videos, video chatting, or just need to keep your phone in place, Loomee is perfect for anyone tired of dealing with cable clutter. It's a simple solution that makes life a lot easier. No more frustration, just organized cables and a handy phone stand. 11. Zero Breeze Mark III. Stay cool anywhere with the Zero Breeze Mark III portable air conditioner. This compact device can cool a room of up to 75 square feet in just minutes. With its built-in LED light, it's perfect for camping, RVs, or any small space. Imagine escaping the summer heat with your personal air conditioner. Whether you're camping in the great outdoors or just need to cool down a small room, the Zero Breeze Mark III delivers refreshing cool air. It's like having a portable oasis, keeping you comfortable no matter where you are. Say goodbye to sweating it out and hello to cool, breezy comfort with the Zero Breeze Mark III. 12. HM11 Architect. Finally, we have the HM11 Architect, a stunning timepiece that's bound to turn heads. This horological machine combines innovation with extravagance, featuring a futuristic design and intricate detailing. Imagine wearing a watch that looks like it came straight from a sci-fi movie. The HM11 Architect isn't just a timepiece, it's a piece of art. Its unique design and craftsmanship make it a must-have for watch enthusiasts. With the HM11 Architect on your wrist, you'll feel like you're wearing a piece of the future. It's the perfect blend of style and technology, making every moment a bit more special. And there you have it, the coolest gadgets you can buy on Amazon in this year. From mobile entertainment hubs to futuristic timepieces, these innovations are set to make our lives easier, more efficient, and a whole lot more fun. So, what are you waiting for? Start saving up and get ready to embrace the future. With these gadgets, the year is looking brighter than ever. If you like this video, kindly click the like button. Join the discussion about the 12 coolest tech gadgets on Amazon in the comments section and subscribe to get more updates like this.